Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have your slide open. Now select the object you want to adjust so you can work precisely. Once selected, make sure it's visible and not behind other elements. Use Arrange to bring it forward if needed. You're starting with an actionable choice: image, shape, or text box. Next, click Format Options to reveal opacity controls. This is where you'll make the change. This step sets you up to edit transparency non-destructively, keeping alignment and size intact while you tweak visibility. Once the Format Options panel is open, focus on the right control for your object type. Shapes use Fill Color Custom and the Transparency slider. Images use Adjustments and the Opacity percentage. You'll want to make small moves, change by 5–10% and review, because subtle shifts affect legibility and contrast. If precise values matter, type the % where possible. Make sure the rest of the slide's contrast still reads well. Transparency alters perceived color and layering relationships. After adjusting, always preview in present mode so you see how transparency reads at full size. This confirms contrast and focus. Once satisfied, lock the object or group related items to preserve spacing and avoid accidental changes. If you can't find opacity controls, for example in a limited editor view, use a workaround. Duplicate the object, place it over a shape with adjusted transparency, or mask an image with a semi-transparent shape. This preserves the visual effect and keeps your layout intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.